Today, I want to show you how to use Claude to help you with your job search. So, I am going to, for this purpose, move this down here and I'm going to start a new chat with Claude. Now, what you want to do if you're new to Claude, you want to sign in with your Google ID or what have you. Um, and you can go to Claude AI. That's how you get here. And it's very similar in terms of how you would use Gemini or Bard or whatever you want to call it, whatever it's called today. And you want to go down to the plus sign and you want to make sure your connectors are added. You can manage connectors by going here or go to tool access. I already have Indeed loaded as one of my connectors and it's connected with my Indeed account. So today I'm going to show you how to use Claude to help you optimize your resume, identify the type of roles you're looking for, and integrate it with Indeed to help you rather bring it all together and find jobs that match your resume. So, what I'm going to do here is I am going to add a file, and I've got a resume here. This is my release train engineer resume. I am going to tell Claude, can you please find me the top 10 remote release train engineer roles on Indeed? Question mark. And now it's going to go to town, and there should be an option for Claude to notify you when it is done with the request, which has just popped up here. And it's going to pull for me the top roles here with links to them so I can just click on them. And if you want to take it to the next level, you know, you can say, can you customize my resume for, say, you see a role you really like and you want to target role 1, 4, and 6, or even just role 6, you can say, can you customize my resume for role 6? You could even say for the top 10, right? And this is brilliant. So look at this. In like less than a couple of minutes, we've done a very targeted job search using AI, using Claude, and we're customizing our resume based off of an existing resume and identifying the top skills that it's pulling from that. So that's pretty clever. And then you can download the resume from here. It puts it into a Word format. So I hope that helps you kind of power your job search because I know so many of us are really trained, skilled professionals. And especially for those of us that are very experienced, we have grown in our roles from maybe project management or scrum master or even developer roles or what have you, right? We've developed over time. We've gone into leadership positions, and now there's a lack of leadership positions. And so we're scaling back, looking at reduced wages and reduced roles. And we're happy to do that, right? But we need to scale our resumes back or target them for specific roles that we can do. And wouldn't you much rather hire somebody who could do this in their sleep? Um, so, this is a great tool, and I hope it helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave something in the comments below, and I will get back to you when I can. Thank you.